All right, so I flip houses for a living. That's what I do. That's how I make my money. Today, I get a phone call from my GC, my general contractor, saying, "Hey, somebody came in and this is one of the flips. So somebody came in and they broke into the house and one, they stole all my equipment. But not only did they steal my equipment, but they also stole the air handler on the inside of the property. So for those of you who don't know, air handler is basically the AC unit on the inside. So you have an AC unit on the inside of the property, and you have the unit on the outside. There wasn't a unit on the outside yet, so I'm glad I didn't get that installed yet. But there was the AC unit that I just recently installed on the inside. So they broke into my hurricane impact window that I just also recently installed. They got through the window by placing buckets on top of each other. So they climbed the buckets, broke into the window, got into the window, and this is in the window through the master bedroom. Went inside, stole my GC's equipment, and took the AC unit. They tried to get through the front door, but they couldn't get through the front door, so they broke in through the window. You know, it's unfortunate because now I gotta order a whole new window. I gotta order a whole new AC unit, and obviously that cuts into my profit. You know, and when you're flipping houses, you want to get in and get out. You don't want to spend more money than you need to, but it just sucks. You know, no matter how much money you have to spend or how much money you make, it still sucks. Like, one, having someone steal from you, like, that's always a bad feeling. But also just, you know, losing money. And so now I'm in this situation to where I got to order all this stuff, and it definitely sets you back. But I say all that to say, if you are flipping houses, especially in an up and coming neighborhood, the hood, like if you are flipping houses in an area like that, as soon as you purchase that property to flip, make sure you install a security system. All right. Obviously, now that you're probably thinking, duh. I mean, and yeah, duh, you should, but don't be cheap. All right. Don't think, you know the area or that it will never happen to you. Make sure you put in a security system. Put in cameras if you can. Make sure that you actually put that into your underwriting as an expense in the beginning, so you can, you know, budget for that. So the numbers make sense for you putting that in. But do it ASAP. Don't as soon as you purchase the property, make sure you do it. Don't do it like after everything's done. Too, like some people do that. You want to do it as soon as you purchase the property. And I don't care if the property is a shithole. I don't care if it's a gut job. That should be priority number one. Make sure you put in the security system, because even if you don't have anything in there to steal, you got squatters. They know, like, when that house is vacant, they are looking for a place to stay. So you want to put in that security system. And this is the second time this has happened to me. The first time they didn't get in, they actually they stole the outside unit. So they stole that unit, and it wasn't caged up. So if you are in the hood, make sure you cage up your AC units too. Make sure you do that. You got to, because it is one of the worst feelings. One, like I said, to get your property stolen from you, but two, or to get stuff stolen from you in general, but two, having to buy all that shit again. Like, that shit is expensive. Like, for the material and labor, we're talking about thousands of dollars. Okay. And you have to wait for that stuff to happen. So you have to order it, then the guy has to install it. That just takes more time. If it's a window, not especially a custom window, now you gotta wait, however long that takes. This window, it 2 to 4 weeks. Like, it just make sure. All right, I just want you to know, if you are flipping houses, this is for anybody flipping houses in the hood, up and coming neighborhood, as realtors like to say. put in a security system as soon as you purchase the property. It is worth the investment. Okay. Especially if you are going to put appliances in there. Some realtors, they have appliances that, if you're a realtor and your client's an investor, you tell them that. Tell them to install a security system ASAP. Like I'm telling you, it is worth the investment. Do it. Don't be cheap. All right. In this specific situation, ever since that first AC unit got stolen from me, I have put in security systems on all of my properties. This specific one, I didn't have it in because I forgot to do it. I was planning on doing it, and I just kept putting it off until I forgot, and then my shit got stolen. They hit a lick on me. It is what it is. But make sure you don't forget. Do it ASAP. Now I have to buy a whole new AC handler and a whole new window, and it's going to cut into my profit. But it's a part of the game. It doesn't have to be a part of the game. Unfortunately, you know, people steal. It is what it is. But I just wanted to let you know, learn from my mistake. Get a security system.